Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following Florida counties: Escambia and Santa Rosa. Effective until 10:59 a.m., the National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for South Central Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, South Central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:59 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles southwest of Pensacola Beach, or 5 miles south of Gulf Breeze, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gulf Breeze and Pensacola Beach around 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time. Oriole Beach around 9:20 a.m. Central Standard Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial.
So in Arkansas, seeing a bit of snow out there as well, kind of